Hello. Tut.
Tapos na saan yung pangkabe?
Hi guys!
Ay, sarap ba yun? Or,
Hi guys! O, ikaw.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Let's cook guys ng pinakbe.
Eh, mamaya may hari-hari yung katpalan niya. Yung isang
Ano?
Mamaya na isa.
We are cooking what? We are cooking what?
Dinaman lang yung
No! Uy, may mas malaki doon.
Ay, mas malaki.
Sa baba, sa baba.
Punasan, ay, linisan mo ba?
We are cooking something for our...
Kasi hindi yan naluluto kapag ganyan eh.
Hey guys! We have something, shut up. Okay daw. We have our ICT night.
ICT night.
ICT night later. And we will get ready and then I will show you, right? This girl.
I'm the most abnormal in this group.
Ikaw, definition mo.
Palangiti.
Ay, ito.
Mabait lang.
Oh, wala. No, bro. Decline. Oh, me.
Prettiest among them all!
Oh. Guys, we are... may salt dun. Very good. Ilagay mo isang ano. Ito.
Kita na.
Sige, ito na lang.
Leia! Tikman mo yung luto natin. Yung luto nyo. Leia!
Wait for her.
Leia!
Vlog. Pero good siya. Ay, girl, you test it.
Ba't ganyan?
Hoy!
Pero tikman mo yung ang alat! Nakakatawa. Ako nagsabi. Pero masarap siya, Ben. Masarap siya.
Diba?
Tikman mo!
Okay, for today's vlog, we're done.
Doon ba?
We're done. I know.
May ICT night pa?
Ayaw ba na? May ICT night.
Kaya mula siya. We are going to campus.
Yeah. With our food.
Yeah.
Very.
Yung camera angle nyo.
Hoy, hi. Hi.
Nag-video dun.
Ito sa video pang. Hindi siya. Dapat sa gitna yung...
It's a vlog.
Ay, vlog! Akala ko. Pagod na pagod. Jo!
Ano, Jo? Pagod ka na ba? Pagod na pagod. Lawrence.
Guys, it's so boring, guys.
It's so boring. Boring? Guys, boring?
Yes.
Lawrence, boring?
Bye
Bye,
na
boring.
kami tutuloy sa ICT night. It's boring. Ano? Guys, vlog tutuloy?
Vlog to.
YouTube. Pa-upload niya sa YouTube. Hi kayo.
Hi! Hindi yung totoo. Hindi kayo matuloy.
Oo, tuloy kami. Tuloy yan. Pero I'm disappointed about this, the eating, the biniros. I'm so disappointed, bro, because we just cook and they're just eating.
Yeah.
And we are going out to eat in the canteen.
We cook.
We clean, but they are eating.
Wala pang walang sweldo pa yung pagluto natin. Ano yun?
And we are
Justice talaga, be. Kailangan natin ng justice.
hashtag justice.
We effort.
And we are going
our
out
full
to eat.
effort there. Tapos ganon.
Iba yung nakinabang be.
Pwede ba si Kubang ka? Nakalaro. Hoy, Ben!
Katikman dito. Pinatikman na sa walang ganito.
Oh.
Low inang.
Action!
Oy!
Action! Action, be.
Bro.
Bro, how are you
Hi.
sitting?
Wala, it's not.
Ayos mo nga, Ja. Ayos. Sit properly.
Low. Ma? Bye. Allowance ko man ma, awanti kwarta ka. Awanti 1,000. Awanti 1,000. Ito, kaya mga pabandad.
Pamasahe ko, ma.
Ang dakilmitik, ma. 500.
Ma, chapi. Ma. Hello. Tut, tut. Ay, si
Abnormal daw! Sabi ni Lawrence, abnormal.
Ala, sikit. Ay, maglagay kayo ng behind the scenes sa alala.
Ito para talaga ako na.
Yung nanay na niya sa gabi yung buhay.
Sila Cha, Lawrence, Liza, Lea. Ayun, out! Told you. How are you feeling with this? Is it a boy or a girl?
I think it's...
Middle?
Ano ba yun? Hindi pa. Sumisipa. Baka tayo na.
Aray.
What if I fall down and rock and roll? Oh, it's blurry, diba? You are blurred, diba?
What? Aray. My legs are not legless.
Oh, eh.
Hi.
Innocent. Eto, nanay.
Hi.
Nanay, you're blurred.
Stress kami po. Nana, you're blurred.
Don't know what to say in my vlog.
Mother siya, oh. Baka maiuwi ko to, Emma. Mamali tayo.